5 Best Clamp Meters. Here is the product number 5. Digital Multimeter Ampere Clamp Meter. Clamp ammeters referred to as clamp meter. The work is mainly composed of an electromagnetic current meter and bushing type current mutual inductor. Specifications: product name, clamp ammeters. DC voltage, 600 volts, plus minus 1.0%. AC voltage, 450 volts, plus minus 1.2%. Here is the product number 4. New Black AC Digital Clamp. Description: 100% brand new and high quality. 3½ digits LCD with a max reading of 1999. AC current function. IC/DC voltage measurement. Battery, 1.5 volts x2, AAA, not include battery. Model number VE239, display type digital only. Here is the product number 3. MT87 Red Digital Multimeter Ampere Clamp Meter. Description: color gules. Material, plastic, electronic parts. Size LXWXH, 15.00 by 7.00 by 3.00 centimeters. Clamp ammeters referred to as clamp meter. The work is mainly composed of an electromagnetic current meter and bushing type current mutual inductor. Here is the product number 2. Newest Digital Multimeter Ampere Clamp Meter. Newest Digital Multimeter Ampere Clamp Meter MS2108 Day Current Clamp Pincers AC/DC Current Voltage Capacitor Resistance Tester. Item specifics: brand name aimometer. Display type digital only. DIY supplies electrical. Measuring voltage range: 4 volts/40 volts/400 volts/750 volt. Here is the product number 1. UNI-T UT210E True RMS Mini Digital Clamp Meters, Ultra Portable Tools for Advanced Electricians, True RMS Response for AC Current. 100 AC and DC current measurement with 1 mA resolution, VFC function for measuring signal at varia. 600 volts AC and DC voltage measurement, resistance, diode, continuity and capacitance functions. Non-contact voltage detection with LED indicator. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.